Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Lei cha is a traditional Hakka tea, which combines tea leaves with ground up sesame, peanuts, and other ingredients. It developed as a means to eat while traveling, as lei cha ingredients are easy to preserve and transport. Beipu lei cha is the most famous variety of this nutritional drink. For Hakka Tung Flowers season last April, a new Beipu delicacy made its debut, lei cha ice cream.
Yo, it's time for Talk About Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo.
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. You know, teaching Hakka and learning Hakka from Leo and Alice right here is really beneficial for me. And over the years, I have really got myself into the Hakka culture a lot. And lately, I'm in love with their lei tea or lei cha.
对，尤其像现在11月份的时候呢，我们就喝点热的，还蛮好的。
Exactly. Maybe that's why I'm getting hooked on the Hakka lei cha or lei tea. It's because it's getting cold right now.
对，不过我听说就是在我们4月份啊、5月份的时候，其实那天气蛮热的嘛。如果你喝热的不太好啊，所以有人就把那擂茶呢做成了擂茶冰淇淋。
No way！怎么没有想过？对耶，因为里面有芝麻又有花生。
对，
芝麻跟花生本来跟冰淇淋就很搭。
对，而且它甜的哈。
Okay, even though we're approaching winter right now, but this is a very interesting derivative of the lei tea, because now they have the lei tea ice cream.Oh, that makes sense because there's some peanut ingredients, there's some sesame ingredients in it. 我们顺便来教教大家呢这些成分，然后呢让大家可以多了解这个擂茶了，好不好？
好的。
其实擂茶怎么说呢？
擂茶。
擂茶 Okay, that's how you say the lei tea in Hakka or 擂茶. And then inside you can find 芝麻
麦
that's sesame, and also peanuts 花生
反
挑 Oh, and when summer is around again, or maybe you're okay with eating ice cream during wintertime, 这个现在有擂茶的冰淇淋，这样怎么说呢？
擂茶冰淇淋。
擂茶冰淇淋 All right, again, you can go try it out even in the cold weather, but certainly during summertime, that's something you can enjoy coming summer, all right? 那最后想要问这个 Leo 啊，到底要享受擂茶到哪里是最贴切的、最好的？
最有名的地方应该算是新竹北埔。
新竹的北埔。
对，
我第一次尝试擂茶是在内湾。
内湾。
对，所以这也不远了，也在新竹。
就在附近。
Okay, so in Hsinchu County, there's a town known as Beipu. That's where you should enjoy lei tea because that's the most famous place where people go for that. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.